Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $7,771 on ClickBank in just 5 days. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this and one of the fastest ways to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now through this training, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly what I did, but I'm also going to show you what you can do in the future to make money on ClickBank in 2021. Now guys, I've been making money online since May of 2019. I started my affiliate marketing business during that time, and since then I've been able to build a multiple six-figure business with affiliate marketing with over 25 passive income streams, as you can see above. Now guys, by the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to make commissions on ClickBank as fast as possible. And the best part about it is I'm gonna show you how to make money on ClickBank with absolutely 0 followers and 0 email lists. This is a strategy that I've been using since I started my business, and it's still working till this day. I'm gonna prove to you guys that this strategy is working if you have no email list and no following. And guys, I'm going to show you my complete case study and how I made over $7,000 in 5 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And guys, I'm going to show you how to get ready to buy customers to buy these special ClickBank products. Okay, this is a special strategy that I've spoke about before, but I want to go over it again. I want to go in more into detail on how you can use this process to make money. Okay, now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can grow on YouTube, how you can grow on TikTok, how you can start an online business, but more importantly, how you can grow a six-figure business with affiliate marketing. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I used to work as an electrical engineer, and now I do this full time. I quit my job in March of 2020, and I do this full time. I spend time with my family. I work when I want and how I want. So that's the main goal of my channel, is to help you build a business that's passive. Now guys, let's get into the actual video, and I want to show you proof that we did over $7,700 in 5 days. Now this is my ClickBank account here. Now I'm just going to refresh, guys, so you can see everything's legit here, and you can see here, okay, this is the past. These were the 5 days where I made over $7,000, and even yesterday I did another almost $500 here. Now this is just with one product and this special method I'm going to show you today. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my slides. I'm going to walk you through the theory, and then I'm going to take you through some case studies of me doing this exact same process. Okay, so what is this, guys? This is called launch jacking. Okay, this is literally the fastest way to earn affiliate marketing commissions without any following and any email list. Okay, now of course I do have a following now, but I'm going to prove to you that I did this without an email list and without a following. Okay, so what is launch jacking? It's basically you're ranking for keywords that don't exist. Okay, these products haven't come out yet, so we're making reviews on products that haven't launched yet. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to find these products, and then you're going to basically need either a YouTube channel or a website. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Okay, now with launch jacking, okay, it's a very simple process. So basically what happens is these super affiliates, they have millions and millions of people on their email list. Okay, so what they do is when a new product launches, they go ahead and send an email about this new product, right? So let's just say they send an email to 1 million people, right? 1 million people here. They're like, hey, there's this new product, go check it out, right? So in this case, it's the Kibo code. Okay, this is the new product that hadn't been launched yet. Now, what's going to happen is some of these people are going to buy, right? So some people will buy this product right away. But what most people do is they'll go to Google or YouTube to get a review on this product. Okay, so basically they'll do a Google search or a YouTube search because they want reviews on this product. So the goal for you as a launch jacker is to create reviews on these products. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I've done and how I've been able to generate a pretty good amount of money with this process. Okay, now we're basically creating reviews, but I'm gonna show you that in just a second. But more importantly, how much can you actually make with launch jacking? Okay, now what's cool, and these numbers are basically estimates if you basically have no following, nothing like that. Okay, so with the smaller launch, you can make, between $100 and $400. Medium, about $500. Big launch, anywhere between $1,500 and beyond, okay, depending on where you're at and how you actually go about the launch, okay? But that's basically what you can expect with these launches, all right? Now, you will typically make more money when the product launches and the vendor keeps the cart open so you can make money later on, okay? So basically, let's just say there's a launch. The vendor can close the cart or keep the cart open. It depends on how they do it. Now, you will make a lot of money very quickly if they close the cart because, basically they'll launch the product for 2 weeks and then after that they can close it and then no one can buy, okay? So it causes a lot of scarcity and it gets more sales right away, okay? So I'm just letting you know how that works and I'll kind of show you that in a little bit. But let me just show you a case study, all right? This is the exact product that I did a review on, okay? So if I did, if people go to Kibo code bonus or Kibo code review, my videos show up. You can see right here, my videos were showing up at the top here, okay? And I'm gonna talk to you about how I did this and how I went about this process, but I wanna show you how you actually find these products and how you can basically make these reviews even if you don't have any following or anything like that, okay? But you can see I did 2 reviews here, okay? One's a simple just review here and one's a bonus review. And I'm gonna talk about both in this video today, okay? But how do we actually do this process, okay? So you need to go to a website called MunchEye.com. Now, what this website does is it gives you access to all these products that are getting ready to launch, all right? So now this is about ClickBank, right? So what you wanna do is find this ClickBank symbol here. So you can see this is a ClickBank symbol. This is a ClickBank symbol here, another one right there. So all these products are getting ready to launch, okay? Now you can see this is the product that I did, right? It launched January 26th. Right there, and cart closed on February 4th, which was yesterday, okay? So it's basically closed. You can't buy the product anymore. Now, you can see this is a pretty high ticket product. The product itself is about $3,500, okay? So it's a high ticket product. This obviously is something that I'm interested in, right? I love high ticket. That's how it's able to leave my job as an electrical engineer very, very quickly, okay? But basically what you wanna do is when you get on MunchEye is you wanna find these products here that are getting ready to launch, all right? So for example, if I refresh this, let me see if I can refresh this for you guys. It's gonna give me all the launches that are coming up in the future, okay? Now, for some reason, it's not updating on the newer launches here. So these ones here have already launched because it's already been February. Let me see here. Let me just go to MunchEye.com. I think, here we go. I don't know what happened there, but I just refreshed it here, guys. But you can see now, today's February 5th. So now I can see all these products launching in the future, okay? So what I can do here is I can, let's just say, go promote these products that are coming out. Now, all these products are gonna be coming out, but they haven't been released yet, right? So how do we even do reviews on products that haven't been launched? There's a few things you can do, okay? But let's just pick a product, for example, all right? And none of these I see are ClickBank right now, but it doesn't really matter because we can just pick this is a JV Zoo product, guys, but I'm gonna do this one right here, Funnel Mates, all right? So I'm gonna click this here and I'm gonna check it out, okay? Basically, they'll say, how much you can make. So the product is $47. You'll make 50% commission on that, all right? So what I can do is go to this JV page and see what the product is about, all right? So if I go to this JV page, basically, they're gonna give us all the information on this product, okay? This particular case, they didn't. So let's go find another product that'll actually give us more information. Let's pick this one here, Drop Mock. I'm not sure what that is. Nope, nothing, no JV page here. Let me see if I can find another one. Neil Napier, let me see here. No JV page, weird. Okay, I don't like to promote products unless there's a JV page, so I'm gonna keep looking. Here we go, so JV page. Basically, they'll give you all, there we go. This is what we wanna see here. They're gonna give you all the information on how the launch is gonna happen, okay? So it tells you the dates, the discounts, how you can promote it. So I'm gonna go here and basically get all the information. More importantly, I'm gonna get the affiliate link, right? So I can go and request an affiliate link and they're gonna give me a link to promote that product. Now, how did I actually go about this and how do I make my money, right? So I basically did review on the Kibo code product. Now, how do we do reviews if we haven't even seen the product? It's not out yet, right? So basically what you can do is ask the vendor if you can do a review on the product. So I say something like this, and you guys can take a screenshot of this, but hello, I would like to promote the, whatever the product is. I have multiple assets to promote your product. I have a YouTube channel, a review blog, and I have an email list I can promote the product with. Thank you so much for your time. Now, if you don't have any of these things, you can still say that because you're going to be building your email list. You have a YouTube channel. Don't tell them how big it is unless they really ask. Just say you have this sounds right here that you know what you're doing, and they're going to give you review access to the product, okay? Now, once you get access to the product, then you can simply do a review on the product, okay? Now, there's a few ways you can do it, right? With a review, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is do a screen share and basically walk through what the product does, okay? Now, there's a few ways you can do it. This is what I use right here. This is OBS Studio, okay? This is what I use to film all my reviews or all my videos in general. Now, this is a little bit more complicated software, but another easy way is you can use loom.com, okay? Loom, or if you go to Loom Chrome extension, you could actually download this Chrome extension and basically shoot a screen share really, really easy, because all I gotta do here is on the top right, it'll give you access to be able to screen share. Now, it won't let me now because I'm using OBS, but this is a very easy software to use, okay? So basically you can screen record and then throw it on YouTube, okay? Now the goal here is, since there's so many people that are gonna be reviewing these products, or looking for reviews, now let's just say people go to my video, they're gonna click on my link to buy my product, okay? Now what's cool here is you don't really need a following at all. You can literally you can do this from zero. And I wanna prove to you guys that this is actually true, okay? So this is another product review I did, what was this, July 5th, 2020, okay? So not that long ago. This was a complete case study I did just to prove to you guys that this method works, okay? So this is a test YouTube channel here. So you can see this is my channel. This is not my main channel, okay? This is just another channel I'm testing here. Only 5 subscribers, okay? But what's important here is this video got over 200 views, which is huge, right? 200 views, these are extremely targeted views. The only way they saw this is because they typed in, Asiago system review, okay? And then I put in keywords like, should I buy the Asiago system, okay? These are things you wanna start doing when you upload your videos, right? And then obviously I have a link here to go buy the product, okay? This is the link right there. And people go to this link and they buy the product. Now this is probably closed out now. Let me take a look. Yeah, this is expired. Yeah, so you can see here they closed the cart on this right now. So I can't make money on this product anymore, but that's okay, right? I can just go to MunchEye and find more products coming out later, okay? So that's how this system works, okay? Now there's a few things you can do, right? Now, what really separates me from other people is I like to add bonuses, okay? This is really, really important. If you guys can add some sort of bonus, it's gonna really help you get even more sales, because what happens is people type in, best Kibo code quantum bonus, and then, your video is going to show up and you're going to explain, you're going to do a review of the product, and then you're going to explain the bonuses. Now, what I like to do is basically have a bonus page. And I threw this page together in literally like 2 minutes, guys. All I did was say, hey, check out my bonuses here. And I have all my bonuses here, okay? Now, for a good bonus, if you don't really have anything, I like to add my coaching to it, right? Get one-on-one coaching with me, or, give them some sort of slides or something they can use to help them, right? In this particular case, I did have a very, very good bonus. I actually gave them my Freedom Breakthrough course. This is my main mentoring program that I charge $997, right? If you go here, it'll actually show you, obviously, my program, to work with me with my Done With You program is $997, right? So I can prove to them that this is what you're getting, plus all these bonuses as well, okay? Now, I would never give away my, my course that I put my heart and soul in for free, right? Unless that was worth it for me. This program is, $3,500, $4,000, and I'm getting 50% commission. So of course I'm going to give this as a bonus, but I would never do that, in the future, right? This is only a high ticket course that I would do that with. But what I'm saying is, as far as bonuses, you can add coaching. That's always going to be a good way to do that, right? I actually launched a product last year, and I didn't have any of these assets like my courses, anything like that. So what I offered as a bonus was one-on-one coaching with me. So I traded my time, right? Because that's what you can do when you don't have, your own courses or anything like that, okay? So I just want to explain that and how I kind of went about that, all right? Now, YouTube is my favorite way to kind of do these launch jacking promotions, but you can also do Google search, right? So YouTube is my favorite way to do it, but people will also do the Kibo Code Quantum reviews, okay? And basically all these reviews right here are gonna be basically reviews, but with blog, okay? Now, I've actually done this before, but I actually didn't have time to do it this year. I wish I would have done actually a blog, more YouTube videos for this product. I know I could have made way more money. I literally did this in like a couple, like an hour, I believe, to do all these things, right? So you can do this without a huge following. And guys, this is just one of the best ways you can make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And that's basically all I did. I didn't really run any paid ads. I started to, and then I didn't have time to finish them. So basically no paid ads. I could have probably made $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 if I would have actually put my time in this. But I didn't, right? I have my other businesses, I have my clients, I have my one-on-one coaching, I have my own courses, but I wanted to do this and I did well, right? I did very well. And a lot of these are payment plans, guys. So you can see if I go to affiliate, I mean, I made almost $17,000 with the payment plans, right? So a lot of these were just payment plans. So the $7,000 is actually more like, it's actually more like $20,000, okay? Because a lot of these are payment plans. So just wanted to throw that out there and kind of explain how that works. But guys, honestly, if you're not doing launch jacking, and you got to do it because this is the fastest way to make money. Now, of course, I still recommend you do everything that I teach you to do to build a long-term business. This is just the fastest way to make money when you're just starting out, right? I still recommend that you go through and build your email list the right way. You have that one main product that's building your email list. If you've gone through my 3-day challenge, guys, I teach you all that. And that's my Done With You mentoring program. It starts with my 3-day challenge where I walk you through the basics of how to start a long-term successful business. And then at the end of that 3-day challenge, I offer you a chance to work with me. It's with my Done With You mentoring program, Freedom Breakthrough. If you want to learn exactly how I built a 6-figure affiliate marketing business and quit my engineering job, in just 6 months, I built a 6-figure business. And in 9 months, I left my engineering job, guys. I want to give you the exact blueprint as well. So I'm going to leave a link down below to the 3-day challenge, which is only $7. That's going to go through the basics of how to get started with affiliate marketing, but more importantly, how do we build that long-term business, right? Everything I just showed you today is a great way to make some money, but it's not going to build a long-term business. This is by far the best way to make money in the fastest way possible, but you still want to build that long-term business. At least that's what I would hope, right? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please shoot a like, a comment. All that stuff helps me grow, and I really appreciate you guys. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you guys soon.